and welcome back to Story Time to Go. And this week we are going to be talking about creepy crawly bugs. And especially we're going to focus on mosquitoes. Oh, I just got bit by a mosquito. But do you know, who do you think is going to like this story time? Yes, Otis is going to love this story time because he loves bugs. And did you know that Otis is covered in fleas? Oh no, so he knows all about being itchy and having bugs all over you. Well, we don't know about that because we're not covered in fleas and we don't get the itchies like Otis. But we do need to talk about a certain kind of bug that can sometimes make us sick, a mosquito. So this week, we are going to make a mosquito, and in your kit, you're going to get a free coloring book from the CDC about mosquitoes, and we're partnering with the health department. But who do you think we might need to wake up so we can talk about mosquitoes? Otis. So, do you remember there's only one way in the whole wide world to wake up Otis? We have to say, 1, 2, 3, wake up Otis. You think you can do it? I bet you can. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wake up Otis! Otis, wake up. No, I don't want to. Otis, what are you doing? Yeah, I'm here. Is it story time? It's craft time for story time to go. Oh, yeah, that's what I meant. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, wait a minute, wait, I got an itch. Yeah, that's really good. Oh, yeah. Wow, my friends, the fleas, they're really excited. I don't know why. Otis, yeah? Maybe they're excited because today's story time is about bugs. Oh, yeah. I like bugs. That's why I let them live on me. Ew, yucky, Otis. Why do you let bugs live on you? Well, they're my friends. And then, when I get tired of them and they bite me too much and I get too itchy, do you know what I do? No, Otis, what do? I eat them. I like this. I love to eat my own bugs. Ew, Otis, that's gross. Yeah, they're delicious. Today we're going to talk about a special kind of bug, a mosquito. Oh, I like mosquitoes. You do? Yeah, they're really big and juicy. Ew, you mean to tell me you eat mosquitoes? Yeah. Yuck, Otis. Well, mosquitoes can make you sick, so you have to be really careful around mosquitoes because sometimes they carry diseases. Oh, no, then I don't want to. All right, Otis, so does that mean you're going to stay awake and help me make a mosquito craft? Oh, yeah, I'm going to do it. Do you promise? Yeah. Do you think Otis is going to stay awake? Yeah, I always stay awake. No, Otis. All right, well, I'm going to need your help. So I'm going to put you down to help me make this mosquito, and then maybe we'll look and try to color our coloring book. Oh yeah, that sounds good. Ready, and... Oh man! Otis fell asleep. I guess he won't make a mosquito with us. Well, let's get started with our mosquito craft for today. Today, we are going to make a mosquito, and when you blow into the mosquito, it's going to make a buzzing sound like this. Yeah, because that's mosquitoes make that kind of a buzzing sound. So, when you come to the library and pick up your kit, you are going to get a kit, and it's going to be filled with all kinds of good stuff. You're going to get a straw, you're going to get pipe cleaners, you're going to get a pom-pom and a tissue, 2 Google eyes, and some glue dots. Now, what you might need for this at your house is a pair of scissors. first thing that we are going to do is we're going to take our straw. This is our body. And you notice that the straw will have a little bit of a bendy. That's like his nose. That's how he bites you and sucks up your blood. Oh no, so this is very important. This is like his nose, and this is going to be his body. So the first thing, we need to make his body fuzzy. So we're going to take one pipe cleaner, and we're going to wrap it around and around. Just like this. Now, once we've got his body all covered, he's going to need legs. Do you know how many legs an insect has? They have 6 legs. So, we are going to take 2 pipe cleaners and fold them in half, and we're going to cut them 1, 2. Now, this makes 1, 2, 3, 4 pipe cleaners, but we're not going to need 4 pipe cleaners. We're only going to need 3 pipe cleaners. So we're going to put 1 to the side. Now, we're going to take one of them and wrap it around and give them a little bend. Look, we have 2 legs. But he's missing some. So we're going to take another pipe cleaner and we're going to wrap it around, and then we're going to bend his legs like that. Now we have 4 legs. And we're going to take one more pipe cleaner and we're going to wrap it around and bend his legs. So how many legs do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 legs, because a mosquito is an insect, and an insect has 6 legs. Now, the next part is we are going to make his booty. And then what we have to do is, this is very important to being able to make him buzz. You're going to take and cut his tail a little bit by an angle, and then another angle, so that he kind of has 2 triangles at his tail end right here. And that's going to be very important, because that's where you're going to blow into it to make him have a buzzing sound. So this is his back side. He's got a little bit of a pokey right there. Now we're going to go to his front side, and he's going to have a little nose. Now his nose is a little big, so I'm going to trim it down so it's not quite as big. Wait a minute. So he has a body, he has 6 legs, he has a tail, and he has a nose. Is he missing something? A head! All right, so in order for our head, we need, oh, can you see? 2 eyeballs. All right. Now, we're going to take 2 glue dots, and we're going to stick our eyeballs onto our pom-pom. There we go. 2 eyes. All right. And now we're going to take our last glue dot right here and stick it right where the bendy part is on the straw. Look at that! So now he has a head, his 2 eyes, he has his little pincher sucker nose, 6 legs, and a tail. But how can he fly? Is he missing something else? His wings. So we're going to take one more glue dot and put it on his backside. and add our strip of tissue paper. So now, our mosquito has wings, and he can buzz. There's our buzzing mosquito. I think he looks really good. And you know the great part about this mosquito? He doesn't have any diseases, so he can buzz around all you like, and he won't make you sick. All right, what do you think? Does this look good? Should we wake up Otis? Let's show him our mosquito. Now we're gonna count to 3. 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna say, wake up Otis. Are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wake up Otis! Oh, yeah. I'm awake. I couldn't sleep. You couldn't sleep. No, there was this terrible buzzing sound in my ear, and it wouldn't let me sleep. Oh, Otis, you know what I think? What? I think that you might have heard our mosquitoes buzzing around. Oh, I knew it. I knew those mosquitoes were bothering me, those pesky mosquitoes. Well, do you want to see the mosquitoes that we made? Oh, yes, I like it. Wait a minute. Oh, I didn't want him to bite me. Otis, you just squished our mosquito that we made. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, he looks very nice. No more mosquitoes. Otis, well, you are right. We do try to stay away from mosquitoes, but please try not to destroy our crafts. Oh, okay. So, next week, are you going to help us make a craft? Yeah. And you're going to stay awake? Yeah. All right, so come back next week and join us while we make another Storytime craft. And Otis promises to stay awake. Yeah, I will. All right, goodbye to all my friends. Mwah!